What's up, YouTube? Graylan Stewart here again with another video. So today, obviously the topic kind of may maybe throw you off based on what my channel is actually about. So my channel is really about wholesaling, how to wholesale real estate and rentals and flip projects and things like that. But mostly wholesaling real estate. So as you can see, the title says, it's talking about flipping these appliances. So let me tell you the story. But first off, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and click the notification bells, and that'll notify you on any new videos that we have, because we do upload a couple times per week. That way you can get all the value out there that you need for free. Okay, so let's get into the video. So obviously, yes, I flipped some appliances that I got for free to make some quick, easy money. And I did this from 700 miles away, never seeing the appliances at all. So what it was a refrigerator, a washer and a dryer, and a countertop microwave. So 4 basic appliances that you have in pretty much every house. So let me tell you the background on it. So we're doing this flip house in Moore, Oklahoma, Tornado Alley as they call it. And we had to do demo. Obviously, you always do demos the first thing you start. So we rented the dump trucks and had those, the dumpsters rather, had those dropped off in the driveway. And so I told my contractor, like, hey, send me a quick video of what the previous tenant that lived there before we bought it. Actually, she lived there after we bought it. We let her stay there for 30 days. She just paid us 1 month rent. Gave her an extra 30 days to move out. So anyways, I was like, give me a video of everything that she actually left behind so I can just kind of check it out. So he sent me this video, just a bunch of junk and trash for the most part. However, there was a refrigerator left in the kitchen. There was a washer and dryer, and I do know those work because in a previous video that the actual tenant sent me, she had the washer and dryer running, because she was washing clothes, because it got loud when she got to that part of the house. And then the microwave above the refrigerator also, she had it on top of the refrigerator for whatever reason, to save space, I guess. But anyways, all these 4 appliances worked. So, I told the contractor, yeah, basically get the whole house and throw everything away, but keep those 4 appliances. I was like, since she didn't pick them up, let's just move them all to the garage for now, and I'll take care of them. I'll figure it out. So anyways, my contractor, him and his guys, they did what I said. They moved it to the garage, and just put it kind of by the garage door so it was easily accessible. So what I did was I listed those things on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't list them anywhere else. Now, I've done a lot of Facebook Marketplace, like flipping things and just selling things to make easy money. I had some Airbnbs at one time and ended up selling off a bunch of stuff that I bought for it. And most of the stuff I bought for that property was used. But I flipped them after we, converted those into regular rentals. And I doubled my money on almost everything that I bought previously. But anyway, so I'm already used to, putting things on Facebook Marketplace. And that's not hard. Anybody can do that. It's pretty simple. It literally takes about 4 or 5 minutes to put a post together. So anyways, I had my contractor take a picture, individual pictures of the refrigerator. You want the outside of it. You want a close up on the logo so they can see the brand, and then maybe an inside picture. I also had them do the same thing with the washer, dryer, and microwave. So I had, 2, 3, 4 pictures of each appliance individually. Okay. So what I did was I put the first thing I did, I put the refrigerator on Facebook Marketplace, obviously local to that area. I just put the zip code because I didn't want people just showing up at the address, obviously. So I just put the zip code it was in. And, again, I got these appliances free because what happened was the tenant, she didn't have a way to move them, and she was going into an apartment anyways that already provided that kind of stuff. So she didn't even need them. So obviously I'm not throwing them away. So that's why I decided to put them on Marketplace. So I put the refrigerator on, just kind of put 3 pictures, I think, is the inside, the outside, front, and then just did a close-up on the logo so they could see the brand it is. and they're just basic white appliances, nothing fancy, but they're in good working condition. So, and I listed it for 125 bucks. I did it really cheap, thinking just so I could move it quickly, and thinking like worst case scenario I'll get 100 bucks for it, right? So I listed that. I also at the same time, as soon as I posted that one, of course they put it in review for a while just to make sure it complies with Facebook rules or whatever. So while that was in review, I listed the washer and dryer on the same post. So this post obviously had 3 or 4 different pictures of each thing. So there was, maybe 6 pictures total, because I did the same thing with the washer, a picture of it on the inside of it, and close up on the logo just so they can see what it is. And, I listed it as used, obviously, but good working condition, and I listed those. Take one for 125, or you can buy them together for 200. So if I sold them individually, it'd be 125 each. Or if somebody wanted the whole set, because they weren't a matching set, but they are both white. So I put that on there. You can take them both for 200, and it's pickup only. So that's key, because I live 700 miles away. So obviously I'm not delivering it. I'm not taking my guys off of the construction site to deliver it either. And I also did must pay by Venmo, PayPal, or Cash App, right? I don't want cash at all because I'm in a different state, right? I'm in Colorado. This house is in Moore, Oklahoma. So that was the deal. It's digital payment only, period. And a lot of people ask for that anyways, but some people want cash. So I did get a couple of replies. Hey, I've got cash. I can come get it now. I'm like, sorry, digital payments only. I just say I'm out of town right now, and my contractors are there. They'll meet you, but it's not their money, so you'll have to pay me digitally by one of those 3 options that I just mentioned. So anyways, I ended up selling all 3 of those appliances within probably 20 minutes because I knew my guys were there basically 8 to 5, and this was probably, 10 or 11 a.m. 2 days ago. So basically these people, they just showed up, between that time and 5 o'clock, just because I knew my guys would still be there. And they even helped them load, the washer and dryer. So I did sell the refrigerator. I got it for $125. That was my asking price, and they paid me by PayPal actually. And then I got the washer and dryer. A lady bought both of those together, so it was for $200. I didn't negotiate the prices at all because they were cheap. There were people asking me to do less, but I had so much interest. I had probably 50 messages between those 3 appliances in the first 30 minutes, most likely. It was pretty quick. But the washer and dryer, the lady came and picked it up. She got a trailer from a friend, and my contractors helped her load it up in her trailer. She paid me by Cash App. And then the microwave, somebody came, by the end of the day as well for 25 bucks. Super cheap for a full-size countertop microwave. So that was the key. I wanted to move them fast. I didn't want to just hold them, because we did need to get rid of those. We're trying to move this property, remodel it, in about 2 weeks. So I wanted them to be done fast. So long story short, I sold all 3 of those in about a 20 to 30 minute time span. And I made an easy 350 bucks for appliances that I got for free. That the contractors were like, yeah, we're just going to throw everything away. I'm like, no, give me a video. Let me see what's left behind, see if we can make some money on it. And she actually did leave a couch behind too, which would be awesome to flip that. But her dog tore it up so bad. It was shredded pretty bad all along the back of it and the bottom. So it wasn't worth saving, which is probably partly why she left it. But I think she really left it just because she had no way to get it. She was moving out by herself, which is why she left the appliances. But anyway, so that was quick and easy. So anybody can flip appliances. You can buy appliances or typically get them for nothing, because I probably could have got a lot more for those. Like that microwave, because I've sold microwaves in the past, and I got $50-$60 on each one in the past, and I listed it for 25 because I just wanted to get rid of it quick. But somebody could actually probably reflip that for 50 bucks and then make a quick 25. Same thing with the refrigerator. I probably could have got closer to 200 for that. Washer and dryer, I probably could have stuck to 150 each and got maybe 300 for the combo, because I've done it before. So there's opportunity if you want to flip appliances or couches or furniture of any kind. There's definitely opportunity in that. Obviously, my channel is mostly about wholesaling real estate, But this is real estate related. I got these free appliances because of the real estate that I bought that I'm flipping. So hopefully this content was valuable to you. I don't flip appliances, on a regular basis or anything, but I have done it a lot, just because of the Airbnbs. I had 6 of them at one time. I decided to close them when Corona hit. So I had tons of stuff, but I bought it all used from Facebook Marketplace, and I basically doubled my money on everything that I purchased, just right back on Facebook Marketplace. You just have to be a little bit patient sometimes, but that's the key. You don't have to sell them right away. You can get top dollar if you're willing to wait a little bit longer. So, but anyways, hopefully you like this content. Please like, share, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And if you didn't like it, you think it's crazy that I'm doing some random appliance video because it's a wholesaling channel, you can hate on me and give me a thumbs down as well. That's all good. I don't mind it at all, but I'm just telling you the real life of what we do every single day. Real estate is my full-time job. That's what I do all day, every day. That's what I live and breathe. And these free appliances just came along and made some money on them. So $350 in 20 minutes for something I got for free is pretty awesome. So anyways, talk to you guys next time, and I'll see you in future videos. Thanks a lot.